This is Humberwood Park and the school, Humberwood Park and school, and this is Humberwood Trail. My God, it's all I see down here. I have to be very careful. I can see the footsteps. Most of the people have chosen this path to go down. It doesn't seem much in the video, but it's a little steep. If it's icy and slippery, then it could be really dangerous. Hey, ducky. My God, they are swimming in this super chill water. It was almost frozen on the top before a few weeks ago only. They are not afraid at all. I must start moving now because I am not sure. I have heard they can chase you sometimes because they like to protect their region. That lady was wearing shoe studs. It's actually a rubber. It's kind of a sleeve that you can put on your shoes, and it has studs below it, so it helps to enhance the grip and can help you prevent the slip. The ice in the center is so crunchy, but it's slippery here and there, so have to be really careful. Oh my god, it's slippery here. Well, after so much ice, people have been trying to go down also. Yeah, they have been trying, huh? I hope no one had a fall. Looks beautiful. I wonder how it would look like in the morning with the sun rising on the horizon. Maybe sun would be rising from my back. That's east. This way it's best. Oh, it's a little slippery over here. Oh my god, I broke some ice. So let's move on. Oh, snow is so crunchy right now. You can literally get an idea from the sound. Oh my god. After walking for a little bit, so most of the trail is like this, around 90%. Here and there you will find some open areas, some bridges and some flyovers. So, and this trail goes till Lakeshore Trail, Toronto. From that is really great if you are going to bicycle or do running. That's amazing. I wonder how would be the situation over there. Here people don't use it that much, so that's why it's all covered with the snow and ice. Over there I would guess that it would be clean because so many people use it. So here and there you can find small trails like this, but you have to be very careful. If that trail is not on the map, don't go. So I can see some footprints, so there might be a animal or there might be a homeless person over there. So animal won't be that dangerous, but homeless person can be little dangerous because he would be afraid if someone is there to remove them. So the person can try to hit you, so be careful with that. So it's getting dark now. I should turn around and go back because won't be able to show you much when it gets dark, because I'm a poor guy, can't afford a expensive camera that I can show you during the dark time also. this creek is almost frozen, so I can make a guess it's not a creek because water is standing at it's frozen right now. So let's turn back. I guess this video is already a little long, so time to go back. Let me know what do you think about the video. If you like the video, give it a like, comment down below if you have any thoughts. I will be sharing similar videos like this as summer is coming, so I will be walking and maybe running a lot this time because my college will be starting in September this year, so I have a lot of time. I'm not working right now, so pretty much I have all day available to myself. I will be using that time to learn something new and explore the nature. Oh my god. So until then, take care, bye bye, see you in the next video.